Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock type because the reset method depends on it. Once done, gather basic tools: a tension wrench, small screwdriver, flashlight, and lubricant so you can work efficiently. Make sure to document the current dial positions and any alignment marks. This preserves a fallback. If it's keyed, check for a release pin or code card. You'll begin by applying gentle tension and aligning the mechanism while preparing to change the combination. You apply steady tension to the shackle or body to keep internal components engaged. This is critical so the tumblers move predictably. Next, locate the reset pin, lever, or tiny hole, sometimes under a plastic cap or inside the shackle. Use your small screwdriver or pick carefully to avoid damage. Once found, hold the reset position and set the dials to your desired new code. Move the wheels slowly and verify each digit. Rushed rotation can misalign the mechanism. You finish by releasing the reset pin or lever and cycling the lock 3 to 5 times to confirm the new code sets reliably. This ensures the internal catches seat properly. Make sure to lubricate the mechanism lightly and record the new code in a secure place, not on the lock. If the lock refuses to set or feels gritty, reverse the procedure. Inspect with a magnifier for debris, relubricate, and retry. If problems persist, consult a locksmith to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.